How to grow and cure for Albo potholes. Epipremnum aureum alvo variegata alvo potholes. Also known as variegated potholes, or marble queen potholes, is a stunning variety of the classic potholes plant. Its striking white and green, variegated leaves make it a highly sought-after houseplant. While it requires a bit more attention than the standard pothos, it's still relatively easy to care for. Here is how to grow and care for it. Growing and Care Guide for Albo Pothos. 1. Light requirements. Ideal light. Bright indirect light is best for Albo Pothos. The variation white parts needs light to thrive, but direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Low light it can tolerate lower light, but the variation may fade and growth will slow down. To watering frequency. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Albo Pothos prefers slightly moist soil, but can tolerate short periods of drought. Overwatering. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Ensure the pot has drainage holes. Signs of overwatering: yellowing leaves or mushy stems. Signs of underwatering: wilting or curling leaves. 3. Soil type. Use a well-draining aerated potting mix. A mix of peat moss perlite and orchid bark works well. Drainage: ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. For temperature and humidity. Temperature: keep the plant in a warm environment, ideally between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts or temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Albo Pothos thrives in moderate to high humidity, 50 to 70%. Use a humidifier, mist the leaves, or place the plant on a humidity tray with pebbles and water. 5. Fertilizing frequency. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced diluted liquid fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can cause leaf burn or reduce variegation. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Pruning: regularly prune to encourage bushier growth and maintain the plant's shape. Cut just above a leaf node to promote new growth. Cleaning. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them looking vibrant. 7. Repotting. When repot every 1 to 2 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Pot size: choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. 8. Propagation. Albo potholes is easy to propagate. Cut a stem with at least 1 node and a few leaves, and place it in water or soil. Roots will develop in a few weeks. Benefits of Albo Pothos. Air purification. Like other pothos varieties, Albo Pothos helps remove indoor air pollutants, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Aesthetic appeal. The striking white and green, variegated leaves add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any indoor space. Low maintenance. While it requires slightly more care than standard potholes, Albo potholes is still relatively easy to grow and maintain. Versatility. It can be grown in hanging baskets on shelves or trained to climb trellises, offering versatile decorating options. Stress reduction. Like all houseplants, Albo potholes can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being by bringing nature indoors. Pet-friendly with caution. Albo Pothos is mildly toxic if ingested by pets. Keep it out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Secrets to a thriving indoor Albo Pothos. Maximize variation. Provide bright indirect light to maintain the plant's stunning variation. Too little light can cause the leaves to revert to solid green. Avoid overwatering. Albo Pothos is sensitive to overwatering. Always check the soil moisture before watering and ensure proper drainage. Boost humidity. Higher humidity levels help the plant thrive, especially in dry indoor environments. Use a humidifier or mist the leaves regularly. Rotate the plant. Rotate the plant every few weeks to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light source. Monitor for pests. While Albo Pothos is generally pest-resistant, keep an eye out for spider mites, mealybugs and scale. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prune regularly. Regular pruning encourages bushy or growth and prevents the plant from becoming licky. It also helps maintain the plant's shape and appearance. Use a well-draining soil mix. A well-draining soil mix prevents waterlogging and root rot, which are common issues with Albo Pothos. Avoid cold drafts. Keep the plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners or heaters, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. By following these care tips and understanding the benefits, you can enjoy a thriving Albo Pothos that not only enhances your indoor space, but also contributes to a healthier and more beautiful living environment. Its stunning variegation and easy care nature make it a standout addition to any plant collection.